Morning guys, in today's video I'm going to be taking a ferry over to Victoria, where I live in Vancouver. So Victoria's on an island itself, about an hour and a half away. Anyways, I'm going to take a ferry over to Victoria. There's a guy that's partying out an R33 GTR that I came across, so I'm going to be taking a look at the rear diff, the drive shaft, and also the rear hubs for the project obviously that I'm doing. Alright. I just gotten back from Victoria and I just unloaded the car, just put it all on this pallet. I'm just gonna go into brief details, I guess, in regards to what we picked up. All 4 hubs, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Some of these back pieces are pretty bent, so we're gonna have to straighten them out a little bit. The rear diff, axles, I think 2 of the axles, the boots are ripped, so I'm gonna be replacing 1, and these are okay. 1, I think, and this one, you guys can see. So 2 boots got to be replaced. Clean them up. For this upcoming week, what I'm going to be doing is taking apart the subframe. Some of the control arms that obviously aren't aftermarket, I'm just going to clean them up, respray them. I'm going to send the rear subframe. I'm going to have it all fully taken apart. The rear subframe itself, take it out to what's about a half an hour drive and get it sandblasted by myself. Clean it up, sprayed, just so at least obviously it's clean. Put the new bushings in, that's gonna be another video. Put it back up to the car. There's another video that I'm gonna be doing. I was also with spray underneath the vehicle. So I'm gonna be spraying it with like a gravel guard in a can. There's a few things that I've tried in the past, and this stuff that I'm gonna be using is one of the better stuff on the market. So I'm gonna show you guys that. Off to the next step. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Kept it short, just wanted to give you guys a little brief update how it was when we went to go pick up all the stuff. I already went into details of what I picked up. In regards to the drive shaft, I found another one that I'm going to be using. It's going to be with this one. If you guys are wondering why I'm picking up R33 stuff, well, R33 and R34 GTR stuff are very similar. In regards to the rear diffs, well, I'm going to be using the R33 GTR rear diffs, matching obviously with the front, with the 6-speed R34 get reg transmission. And if you guys are curious on in regards to gearing information, there's a Mines video, or a Mines R34 GTR, that there's a video floating around on YouTube, I think, that gives you an idea exactly when you change the gearing ratio with the diffs, how really it makes a huge difference when it's on the track or even on the street. But anyways, so I'm going to go into details more with future videos. Really, I'm going to go into details with the new videos that are popping up in the next few weeks. There's lots coming up. There's the holes coming with the intercooler piping. I got to drill those out. I'm going to make a video for that. Spray underneath the vehicle. Got to get this car going. Got to get it done in the next 2 weeks, 2-3 weeks hopefully, so I can get blocked. All the panels obviously fitted on and get it sprayed. I need this car done. You know, I got a target obviously where the car hopefully is ready for the summer. I'm not obviously gonna rush the process itself just so it's done and do a half-assed job, but also just, you know, obviously it's been about a year and a half, I think just over a year, where it's slowly coming along, and I think I at this point actually got everything. Now it's starting to, you know, clean everything up, get what you already have, put it all together. Anyways, guys, we went out last night after we picked up all the stuff, so I'm a little hungover, and I'm gonna go shower up and go get some rest. Anyways, see you guys in the next video.